Bitcoin rebounding 27% since its early April low. More gains to come? Well, Grasso certainly hopes so. It is, I don't want to reveal. It's a big position for you. Let's put it that way.
Yeah, so it is a big position. So if the market is down and Bitcoin is up, I'm up that day. So it's probably, as Bonawyn would say, it's probably a crazy bet that I have right now. But I'm originally long from about 60,000. Traded up to 109,000 and change, traded down to 75,000 pretty recently. We have to cross over 100,000 again. This is a bounce level up to 97,000. If we can do that, I think we have tailwinds to 125.
Bonawyn, would you say that's a crazy bet?
I just, it's a little offsides, to use his word, right?
Yeah.
Mark, a little offsides on the market.
You got to be quick. It's a fast money.
Yeah, my issue with Bitcoin, and I'm also bullish, it's just that the correlation to the market, to me, kind of runs antithetical to why you want to invest in it. And so because of that, I just think you have to think about right-sizing that position. If it were, in fact, digital gold and you were getting yourself some protection when the market was kind of, doing what it's done over the last 30 days, then I would say, okay, I can understand you diversifying a bit there. But for me, all you're doing is just adding beta to the portfolio, and that gives me a little bit of pause.
Exactly. This is like an intervention.
Exactly. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do.
Intervention for Steve Grasso in his portfolio. Tim?
Well, this gives me an opportunity to talk about gold. This is a pullback to buying gold. And you're not owning gold for there are people that have. And if you think about the 43% move year over year in gold, it's been a great trade. It's been a growth trade, so to speak. But you're buying gold on a 20-year chart. Look at the 20-year chart on gold. You're buying gold for all the reasons that it was in vogue a month ago. And the pullback in gold is an opportunity to buy what obviously was an overbought condition, but not in the long run.
Let me ask you this.
Yeah.
Trade deals, let's say trade deals announced across the board tomorrow. Does gold go higher? Or does it pair its
No. Gold has been a very defensive hedge against market and volatility and whatnot, and then that's been proven. But gold also is a hedge for a lot of other things, and gold is also just, again, we talk about this, the secular reasons for owning gold, I think, are intact. But no, I think gold could pull back with more market excitement, for sure.